Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily stop Chrome from blocking any of your downloads from any websites. Let's begin. First, open up Chrome, and from here, I want you to click on the three dots over here on the top right portion of your screen. Then go to Settings. From here, go to Privacy and Security on the left panel. Then simply click on Security. Here on safe browsing, this section, right? You might have accidentally or you have this option enabled, which is enhanced protection. So like this is actually the most optimal way to enhance your security and prevent any malicious software from being downloaded if you are not careful. So go ahead, click on standard protection if you want to be on the safe baseline, but if you want to be very aggressive, go ahead, click on no protection. Not recommended, but it's actually pretty good if you know what you're doing and if you know what you are downloading. So click on this option. You don't need to restart Chrome. Just simply start downloading whatever you need into your PC. And that's it. That's pretty much everything you need to know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.